Ella Hooper started rocking out at the age of 13 as the lead singer for Killing Heidi. And she's been killing it ever since. And I'm the Jinja Assassin. Today I'm here to surprise Ella with a custom air guitar from Signet packaging. Ella Hooper, wow. I can't believe that you're here.
Me neither. Perhaps not for the same reason.
Like, wow, I can't believe I'm meeting the Jinja Assassin.
More like questioning a series of life choices that got me here.
I'm such a big fan. I've brought my air guitar along.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, do you mind, signing it for me?
Nope, that's fine. Yeah. Do you have a pen?
Oh, yeah, here, I'll pass that to you.
Thanks.
Awesome. I've had such a crush on you since high school.
Thank you. I mean, thanks. I guess I could have had a crush on you too in high school if we went to high school together or something.
You really think so?
I mean...
This is me in high school.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah. Handsome rooster.
That's some red.
Rigalicious.
Yidookie, yeah.
Oh, did you see?
Yeah, I saw that.
Ooh.
I can't unsee that, actually.
You're looking very nice now.
I can't. Do you have an air guitar to give me? Awesome.
Ella Hooper. Hi. As a reward for your services to music, and on behalf of our packaging overlord Signet, I present you with your dream air guitar.
Oh my God, I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Shall we? Oh my God. Oh my God, tremolo, humbuckers, inbuilt Daniel Lanois reverb. I love this guitar.
Yeah.
Should we have a jam? Should we do it?
Me?
Yeah. Come on.
Just play an air guitar with one of my idols. I mean, yeah, like, no biggie or anything.
Okay, free bird on 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
And then wait.
Oh yeah, and then there? Okay, yeah.
It's easy top.
Oh, what about here? What about here? What about here? Yeah.
Like
yeah,
just
can I get this? Yeah, come on! Yeah!
Okay.
Come on!
Just gonna
Yeah!
put it back here.
Oh, yes!
Okay.
Oh, yeah, come on!
Signet, proud packaging supplier of Ella Hooper's air guitar.
No air guitars were damaged whilst in Signet packaging.